So, as you can see, we're doing another one of the Halloween series makeup that's easy to do. Anyone can do it, and you should have this stuff already in your makeup collection. The only thing you may need to do are possibly get a set of ears, or you can do your own hair however you want. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha, and I am just a mom who likes to play with makeup. If you are new here, thank you for joining and watching this video. If you're not new here, also thank you for joining and coming back and watching another video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe, also the notification bell, so you can be notified of future uploads and videos. And without further ado, let's jump into this. So I've already started with mostly my original makeup. The only difference is I went a little bit darker in my contour and I heavily contoured. So I went up into my brows and then into my eye crease. Eye crease? The crease of my eye. So that's all I've done so far. I haven't even set yet. So let me do that really quick. I'm just going to set the brighter areas so that we don't lose them. I normally don't set under my eyes, but because it is Halloween makeup, you know, I'm going to want it to stay for as long as possible. And that's why I'm setting. All right, now that that's set, I'm going to go also ahead and set all the areas that I contoured. And I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer. I normally use Seint bronzer to set, but I want it to be a little bit deeper. So I'm going to build this up. And I want this dark. I'm going to go in with a smaller brush and contour or set the nose. Blending it up into the eyebrow. I'm also going to do my crease. When doing the crease, I'm going to kind of build it out. I'm also going to take it under. I'm also going to put contour or the bronzer right here and kind of define that feature. This is one of those things that you just have to trust the process. I'm going to go back in with my concealer. Well, not my concealer, but my brightening highlight, and I'm using a flat brush, and I'm going to start on my eye. I want this to come in to the inner corner and kind of accentuate that. And you can do whatever shape you want on your eye. I think I'm going to go more of a wing. I'm going to set that with Sabrina, which is from Seint. And I think I'm just going to use the same brush, just so I can be more precise with it. I'm going to use a brown gel liner by E.l.F. And I'm going to line the outside part of what I just did. Now I'm going to go in with black liner and line along my lid. Not my lid, along my eyelashes. I'm going to go back under my eyes with the bronzer, and I'm just going to go under that liner. All right, I'm going to set that with a black, which I have Salem by Seint, and I'm just going to set the eyeliner. I'm just cleaning my brush because now I'm going to go into a dark brown, and I'm going to line under my lash line. And I'm going to create a couple of longer lashes. I want to define that a bit more, so I'm going to go back in with my brown gel liner and just define that. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows, the other eye, and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're almost there. I'm going to define my nose a little bit more and I guess Cupid's bow. And the hardest part of doing this is matching. This eye did not turn out as well, so I'm going to soften that in a little bit. So I'm going to use a brown, and I'm going to just kind of do the sides of my nose and into the brow. I'm also going to highlight some areas. I'm going to use my Thrive highlighter, and this is in Liberty, and I'm just going to highlight. Okay, now for what I think is the hardest part, and that is the nose. I'm going to use a black eyeliner. Mine's a little dirty, but it is black. And we're going to do the nose. Now that we have the rough shape, just fill it in. We're also going to go ahead and line the upper lip in all black, and then we'll fill it in as well with powder to make sure that it's really dark. And along with the upper lip, we're just going to do a little bit of the Cupid's bow. If you have a black liquid lip, this is probably the best time to use it. I just blotted my lips on accident, so. Once you have that line, we're going to soften it back into the brown, and using a smaller brush, let's just kind of define smile lines. I'm going to set my bottom lip with concealer. Again, use a liquid lip if you can. My stores were all sold out of the black and the nude. So if I was going to wear this to a Halloween event, I would definitely use a liquid lip. You want this one to match your skin shade. Or be a little bit lighter. And then you want the black. So now I'm just going to do some dots. And again, I'm using just a highlight. You want to use different sizes. So once I have that set, I'm going to use a smaller brush. So here's the completed look. You could obviously do your hair. I just got these antlers off of Amazon, and I think they're really cute. So again, you can do the dots however you want. You could do bigger, smaller, and even smaller than that. It's just completely customizable, which is so fun. And again, I would do a liquid lip if you're going to use this all night long. This is eventually going to transfer. As you can tell, the black is starting to go onto the bottom. Not a big deal, but if you want it to last all night, use a black liquid lip and a nude liquid lip. But like I said, anyone can do this. It's so simple and it's fun. All the items I use will be listed down below so that you can use the same items or find something that's similar. Thank you for joining and watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. I hope you guys have a great week wherever you are, and I'll see you next time. Bye.